Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off voice on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application, and after that in the search bar write your destination. So let's say I want to find gas station. Click on it. Then we need to move. So I have from my location, you can select something else. Now we have options to move. So I want a fastest way. And we need to click at the go near to this line. And at the right side we have this speaker icon. Click at the icon and then click mute, then close it, and we just did it. Okay, let's check another row. So now let's say I wanna select something else, so not gas station, but let's say some address. Okay, so we have to click at the go, and as you can see now it mute for all your roads. If you want to unmute it, just tap at the speaker again and then unmute it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!